Morning guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make homemade breakfast jacks. Really easy. All you need is this is optional, shredded hash browns. You need some eggs. I usually get ham and turkey just so I can have both, but you can use turkey, bologna, whatever you prefer. Deli meats. Cheese, you can use any type of sliced cheese. Hamburger buns, and I get sausages, which are optional also. So here I have my pan ready. I let it sit for a while to warm up. Then I'm gonna put some oil. I warmed up my pan, and you want to make sure that you put your hash browns evenly around the pan, so that way when you go to flip them, it'll be easy, so they can cook evenly and it won't take so long if they're all bunched up together. So adding my salt, my garlic salt, and my regular salt, and we're gonna brown these. I'm gonna keep flipping them until they're golden brown. So you just want to kind of keep flipping them until they're nice and brown. I added more potatoes to mine due to me having a larger family, so you can pretty much use as much potatoes as you want. I just use a larger amount. So we're gonna let this cook until it's golden brown. So these are about done, nice and brown. On to the next step. So like I said, this is optional. Now what I'm gonna do is add my sausages to my pan. And you don't need oil for this because sausages pretty much already have a lot of oil. We're just gonna cook those until they're nice and brown. Okay, these are about done, so now we're gonna put them onto a towel to release all the oil. That way they won't be so greasy. So now on to the next step. So what we're gonna do is we have our ham and turkey here and our cheese. So I want to crack this egg. So I didn't put oil in the pan. This is already the oil from the sausages, so that way I wouldn't have to use so much. Now I'm going to use the same pan, and I'm going to add 2 of these turkeys. Put a slice of cheese. I'm going to add another one. Put a slice of cheese on top of that. So that way it'll be less time consuming. Then I'll let this cook. Now we're gonna add our egg to our bread. Now we're gonna add our ham and cheese. And I want to come over here with some hash browns.